last war, external war, as far as I remember, there was effort to exert imperial pressure on its neighbors. China tried exactly 30 years ago, January, February 1979, a war with Vietnam. While in Russian politics, this is probably the main problem of perception of Russia as imperial power. The fact that so many countries feel really endangered by direct or indirect Russian aggression. All Baltic countries, Ukraine, of course, still endangered by internal fractures. It was already mentioned by Professor Bugajski. Of course, Transcaucasian countries, and also I am no specialist in Central Asia, so I cannot say, but maybe this is also another dimension of the problem. And of course, other countries of the former bloc. So this is the difference between China and Russia. However, there is this problem, and I agree with the question. This is an important question. But it seems to me that, and this is my final remark, that especially important in this analysis presented here by Professor Bugajski is the stress on pragmatism. On pragmatism, I would say, as a new ideology. By ideology, I mean so-called false consciousness instilled by Russia on her partners. I mean, by Russia, I mean, of course, Russian government, President Putin.